to Manchester United before. As for United, they've got a threat of their own in Marcus Rashford, who is just behind Lewandowski in the scoring charts. But we're certainly looking at two of Europe's most lethal. For Rashford, is this the type of game that will elevate him even further if he were to get on the score sheet and make a difference?
I think so. It's the type of game that elevates anybody.
United in spectacular form themselves since the World Cup. They've never beaten Barcelona in this stadium, but he attacked it, whether he got a touch on it.
It's a wonderful,
We're about to find out.
wonderful ball in by...
গান বাজাও তুমি ডান্স করো চলো আমরা রোমান্টিক গান
আমার তো ডান্স হয় না
একটা মনের মানুষ
মানুষ আইতাছে কোন রাস্তা দিয়ে
আসুক না আমার ডান্স দেখবো আমারে দেখা হাততালি দিব সমস্যা কি
তোমাদেরকে হাততালি দিব